can I just go to the picture wherein the head is depicted? It's in Exhibit A. Exhibit A. Oh, yes.
Page photo.
Photo number 6 depicted in photo 5 and 6. Do you see that one?
I see that.
Yes, we are in that. And then also photo number 124. 124 would be in Exhibit B. Yes, we are there. If those two pictures can be, I don't know, they can be accommodated in that screen at the same time. And 124. But maybe Mr. Mosia, because you understand very well the two photo albums, can I continue?
Can continue.
I want the distance. I want to know what was the distance between the exhibits depicted in photo number 5 and 6. You see those exhibits?
Yes, I see them.
And the exhibits depicted in photo number 123, 124, and 125, if I'm not mistaken, of exhibit B.
The distance between them.
Yes.
Okay. Over the distance more photo A here 5 6 50 where more photo 123 24 25 dinkueng hona te bohole ba dibaka tse pedi.
Photo number 5 can kill di nepe ha ke qala kgetsa ha ke qala ho fututsa ke tsala ya.
Okay.
If you are speaking too softly, speak so that we hear.
Ke photo bundle tse pedi ke bundle A le bundle B.
Okay.
Bundle A ke ne ke le mong a ne ke etsa ke etsa mosebetsi, and then bundle B ke ne se ke na le task team. Distance a ya ka nka ba ka nka ba ne se ke tlisitse di exhibit tse le pedi.
There are two bundles. The first bundle that I did, I was alone when I was taking the pictures. So on the second bundle, when I was now busy compiling it or doing the investigations, I was now with the task team. And now because I had already removed the markings for the exhibit in bundle 1, I could not estimate the distance in between.
Ithombe zoqala noma ithombe kunamabhande amabili ke la eyoqala neyesibili. Eyoqala ngiyenze ngingedwa. Ngithe ke mase ngibuyela kule yesibili ke ngabe sebenza khona ke ne-task team futhi ke ngabe sengisusile ke ufakazi ke angikwazanga ke ukuthi ngikwazi ukubona ukuthi ibanga belithini phakathi kwalama exhibits ahlukile.
As an expert, Mr. Mosia, who attended the crime scene, can you be able to tell the court an estimate, at least, of the distances between these 2 points?
I can do an estimation.
Yes, estimate.
Estimate point A in the kitchen door, and then the Cativa efforts, point C, and then distance setting ke 1.5 more. And then nka estimate
the estimation 1.5 meters. Okay. The estimation that I will make is that point A will be a kitchen door, then point B will be a head, and the distance between the head and the kitchen door would be about 1.5 meters.
Ngakaqaphela ibanga ke phakathi upoint A kuzoba lesicapha lesasekitchen no B kube isikhobo ngathi u1.5 amameter.
Estimated plus minus 2 meters. 2 meters. Against 2 meters.
Munyako le
Katiba the bullet head.
Okay. Then for with the distance of the bullet and the head, then it will be estimated to 2 meters.
Ibanga ke phakathi kwenhlamvu kanye nesikhobo sona kuzoba amameter amabili.
Can you point the 2 meters? 2 meters as you are standing there. What is 2 meters?
How can you lekanyetsa 2 meters go tswa mo dutseng teng o ka supela kae?
Check.
Meters. Okay. Then once you're still there, stand in there.
2 meters is as the witness was demonstrating by showing.
My Lord, can I just ask to do these 2 questions while the witness is standing there so that he can show us this?
Let the interpret first.
Oh, thank you, madam.
As he was stretching both his hands from one point to another.
Ibanga ke benikeza ngalo noma kumele ufuna ukwazi ke ukuthi u2 meter uqala kuphela kuphi kule ndawo kuyona ke ilona ke lebanga akhombisa lona.
Okay. Then where was the bullet projectile? On top of the cupboard. Show it, estimate. Where is it? Just give an estimate. Where is the point of
The estimate point of which is A.
Okay.
The estimate was 1.5 distance. The estimate from Tatiba to the projectile, I estimated 2 meters.
I also understood the last answer to relate to the bullet.
To the bullet projectile, my lord?
Yeah.
Yes. So it means at that distance, the head and the bullet fragment was in 2 meters distance between the bullet projectile. Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
Is it possible for an expert attending a crime scene not to see the exhibit that is at 2 meters apart from each other in one house or in one spot?
Bona le kgonagalo ya gore setibi se nang le maiphitlhelo ebe ha se fihla sebakeng sa ketsahalo se tlolege go bona bopaki bo e bang bo bogole ba dimetara di le pedi sebakeng se le sengwe sa ketsahalo.
A ka hloleha go fuputsa ke se hlalositse ka makgetlo gore ketsahalo e ke bile le kamano go yona ha ke emetse batho ba ne ba tlamehile gore ba tlo nthusa go ya ka molao wa mosebetsing gape ke seo ke se bonang and then ka ba emela gore re tlo tswela pele kaofela le bona.
I did not fail to do the proper investigations or collection of evidence at the scene. As I've already been testifying and alluding to the fact that I collected the evidence by myself while still waiting for my team or the other team to come so that they can help me in securing and collecting evidence at the scene.
Angihlulekanga-ke ukuthi ngiwenze uphenyo kuyobuza ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi owaziyo ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe angaboni-ke ubufakazi okwibanga lamamitha amabili. Bengishilo-ke ngaphambilini uma ngifakaza ukuthi lobo bufakazi bengibona bebuphansi ngibucoshile bona ngase ngilinda-ke i-team noma i-task team.
Mr. Musia, I think the fact that the interpreter is now nearer you is somehow causing you, without you realizing, to lower your voice. You are still speaking to the audience you were speaking to all along, because some of the people might want to hear even the interpreter, whether what you said is what is being interpreted. So keep your volume where it was. It's not all people who are relying on the interpreter. Some are relying on what you are saying in the vernacular.
Thank you, my
You
lord.
go ahead, Mungat.
You try it.
After get paid.
You try it.
I understood.
Yes?
Thank you, my lord. Mr. Mosia, can you then take us now to the real exhibit that was recovered on top of the cupboard? If I'm not mistaken, it is per photo 123 to 131, but you can double check if I'm correct. If those can be depicted and then it can be shown from the screen and then you can confirm if we're still talking about the same exhibit.
Rea o di tshwantsho tse 123 fihlela 121
Ke di fumane.
bopaki bo fumanehileng hodima cupboard.
Am I correct?
We are there.
Yeah. Which picture is then there?
Which picture, sir?
Which photo is depicting the exhibit that was recovered on top of the cupboard?
Ke tshwantsho se feng ka hara tsona tse se bontshang bopaki bo ileng ba kwella hodima cupboard?
Go tloha ho 123.
Can you zoom out photo 123, please?
Go fihla ho 130.
Ke bopaki bofe bo le bo keleditseng mo?
I think let's take one picture at a time because you did not bring the disc.
Okay. Arohanye bopaki ho ya ka ditshwantsho dipotwana.
I think you intervened before there was a complete.
My apologies.
You asked a question, a specific question,
Yes.
and he answered it before it was interpreted. You wanted to be specific, which there's nothing with being specific, but let the interpretation run its course.
My apologies, ma'am.
You remember the question?
Potso e re ho tloha ho 123 ho fihlela ho 131. Ke bopaki bo feng bo ileng la bo bokella bo fumaneng hodima cupboard ka ho ya ka ditshwantsho tse?
Ke projectile re fumaneng hodima rack.
Photo number ma?
Photo 123, 127.
Photo 127, the evidence that was recovered was a projectile.
Isithombe ke esi-127 lapho yila kwatholakala khona-ke iprojectile yenhlamvu ngaphezu kwe-cupboard.
On top of the cupboard.
What did you do with that projectile?
Yaba he le etsang ka yona projectile e?
Ke nkile snepe.
I took the picture of that projectile.
Ngase ngithatha isithombe sayo.
If you can just remind me before we continue. What did you say is the meaning of the bullet projectile? The one that is depicted there?
Projectile e we buang ka yona ya photo 126. Kana o itse e bolela?
Le ha ne tlamehile e hlalose ke ballistic empa nka e hlalosa ke itse ke front part of the bullet and the rear part is the cartridge case.
Yeah, it's tricky because some of these things may not even have proper names. But I think you can say a front part in Sesotho. You can say Mr. Musia, instead of saying the front part of a bullet, you can say it in Sesotho, can't you?
It's a bit difficult. Ke bokapele ba kulo.
You have gone where I didn't think you would go.
The front part is
Mtlana.
yes.
Can we say Mtlana ya bullet?
Yes, the one in the front.
Yeah. I think Mtlana is better than
That's a Sotho ke bokapele.
Okay. Okay. Let's proceed.
Continue, Mr. Musia. What did you do with that exhibit? So you said it's not a bullet, it's the front part of the bullet.
After it was discharged. After the bullet was discharged.
Okay. Is it a closed up thing or it's opened?
Equally.
It's a closed up.
Njengoba sibonake lapha kusithombe ke itawule ilanga phambili kuyona inhlamvu futhi ke ngendlela oyibona ngayo ivalekile.
Okay. Then what did you do with it?
Photo 128 ke package le ka hara envelope e ngotseng exhibit 1.
I then package that projectile inside an envelope that is depicted in photo 128.
Ngase ke ngiyithatha ngifaka kunemvlopo ke lana kulesi sithombe esi 128 ngayifaka kuyona.
Yes. After that?
And the photo ya 129 is like ke kudo ka mohara envelope ka be ke kenya ka hara forensic bag ke kwala.
Photo 129 then depicts